going head on into the crap. Why didn't we go in for it first or whatever? Yeah. Also, he's just really good at this, so sometimes he's like, it's because I can, so I'm just going head on into the crap.